Hey guys, me Mr. Steve on Just AC Badwater Canyon. Someone wanted to know how to actually get steel. The best way to get steel is from vehicles. You can get steel, plastic and screws. What you need is a crowbar. You can find crowbars practically everywhere. So you get a crowbar, put it in inventory, and just go up to a car and it automatically starts stripping steel. Now, I have done this a couple of times today, but because I'm extending my base, I do need more steel. I'm trying to make another barbecue and a few other things. That one's been stripped already. You can get steel also laying around time to time with plastic, also screws and nuts. It's probably about the third time I've been down here getting what's going on here? It's about the third time I've actually been down here getting steel. Once you've actually stripped a car will go back to its normal condition within about 10 to 15 minutes. So like you can actually pick up plastic as well. Make sure you got plenty of food and water, because I keep leaving my base without food and water sometimes. Although there's a supermarket over there, but I did go there earlier and I didn't find any water. The only water I was able to get was from the toilet and the sink. No bottles of water. So you know, try to come out with water. If you're after nails, chop up boxes. Make sure you've got a decent axe with you and weapon repair kits, because you'll probably need them. Because it will wear your axe and crowbar down quite a bit, unless you can find another axe. Sometimes you might find an axe or something in the supermarket, maybe a crowbar. Don't know what's going on here. It's always worth doing 3 or 4 trips to build up your stock. My actual base is mainly wooden. I will try to upgrade it later with a metal. Sometimes you'll find food and water on the floor. it's worth taking. Been suffering quite a bit of lag over the last hour. Don't know why. The bag seems to be disappearing. I think the best way to get the plastic is from open back trucks. You get sometimes more from them. Shame you can't actually take stuff off the trucks. Salvage steel from there, that'd be cool. But I have tried it and I ain't been able to get any. Not all cars are scrappable. When the front hood pops up, that means it's over with, you can't get any more. There used to be a bug where you used to go behind a certain vehicle and you used to be able to get a lot of steel and parts from cars. But they've actually fixed it now. In here I've got a bit of a croaky throat at the moment. So your backpack's already filled. I don't need all that steel because I've actually got quite a bit in my base. It's more nails, plastic and stuff I need. So you'll be able to find a lot of stuff in here, in these kind of supermarkets. Sometimes in here it can be bloody hard to get the stuff you need. You can also find plastic and steel in here. Sometimes very hard to get items from these shelves. I can't get it the first couple of times, I'll give up. Brown work boots. Got no room for it. Still actually takes about 10 on your inventory. No, I don't need any more steel, but I could do with more. Empty bottles you can fill up from the toilets. It gives you dirty water, but it doesn't really do much damage to you. It just sometimes won't give you it won't actually bring your health up quicker. Come on, fuck's sake. It's what I hate about these. Sometimes is like it takes forever to pick anything up. Not seen any players around here today. Oh fuck. Keep an eye on the condition of me primary axe. This is a one-hit kill on zombies. I can't get stuff in there, so the wood I've just chopped down I will throw away because I've got wood. Ingredients I'd take. Always take extra compasses in case they're required. Sailing, I don't know. You'll probably find weapons in boxes as well. Take the wolf meat. Don't need the head. So, wood. Still don't need that. You put a lighter and plastic. Nails I need. So still I'll keep in the wood, as I say, I don't need. The bottles you can actually salvage into plastic. So I had 26 and now it's gone to 30. What are you checking here? More ingredients. I don't really check these that often. Come on back, knife, got no room. First aid kit. Now matches I don't need because I've got lighters. Quite a lot of food. I don't need any more now. To make some of these torches. Okay, my axe is getting damaged now. Don't know if I've got yeah, I have. So once you've got a weapon prepared, just left click and then click on your axe or whatever. So I'm beginning to drop wood again. Still don't need it. So I'm going to chop wood down at my base if I need to. Got full, take that. change that. Check the zombie, make sure it's got no letter or anything. Bit of zombie chopping. Now I'm getting a lag coming back again. Won't bother with wolf because I don't think I've got any more of them. Could have used the quad bike I got over here, but it's like really badly damaged. So I've actually made a bit more of a extension. There's the damage quad bike. So I've made a bit more of an extension, as I was saying. As you know, got the car park extension here. But around the back here. You notice I've got some metal shutters for windows, and I've got metal shutters up here because I've actually added more of an extension. Don't think I can actually upgrade that. No, I can't. So this is an extension I've built. Over here I'm going to be putting a barbecue. A few other little bits and pieces. Now let's see if I can make it. There we go, we can make a barbecue craft. Did try to get the one out from the inside the building, but it won't come out for some reason. I think it might be because the work table, the workbench is in the way. With chest. Gotta be careful on these because I can only do so much. No, actually, I want to. Oh crap! for now. Crafting. I made 4 headstones, which I'm going to be putting out there later. Metal gateway. And now I've run out of bloody what's name again. I don't think I've got a gateway here. No. Where's gateway? Let me just go and check in here. I'm actually going to remove one of these walls later as well, probably. This barbecue could not pick up for some reason. No. I ain't going back out getting more metal now. Stop that. Okay, let me just check that there's no raw meat in here. Which there isn't. Barbecue, charcoal. Got another warm letter today. I'll take and move 10 of those back into there. Pick the seeds up. Okay, so medical. I'm not keeping any guns or anything outside if I can help it. Take some of this stuff outside. Don't take too much though. Seeds. Use one of those. Take the honeycomb. Take some of this food out. the other day I didn't have hardly anything in here. No, I've got plenty. What I don't have though is much water, so that can go in there. Dirty water I'll keep because I'm going to boil that in a minute. Do I have a fridge in here? I can't remember if I've got a fridge in here or not. No, I've got one upstairs. That's the armoury room. And I'll be upgrading that wall later. Don't know if I can do it now. Little wall. I'll need my hammer. Crowbar back in there. Now I've got my hammer with me, or did I not bring it with me? Problem is, if I knock that down, it might damage the flooring upstairs. So how many walls did I make? One. Need two more. Damn it, I can't. No, I can't make a metal wall. 3 wood, 3 steel. Plenty of in there. Just bought a crap load of steel. I should have 3 now, I think. 4, that's okay. I'll need another 2. Knocked a lot of stuff down. That's the problem. For some reason it won't let me upgrade them. Crap, crap, crap. I can't remember all that gear out. Too much stuff in there. I'll have to knock the stairs down. Why can't I? Why won't it let me put a steel thingy there? I think the boxes are in the way, that's why. Fuck it. Fuck it. Made myself too much work now. Need to make myself a crate again. Metal gateway. Don't need metal gateway, need the metal door. And I ain't got enough for the door, I don't think. Centered. Metal door. Doorway. Metal door. Whoops. Why is it not letting me put the door down? The door. And now I've got bloody well do these. What's the name now? Right guys, well anyway that's the gist anyway, so I've got to carry on doing this, sort all these boxes out, and I'll see you on that stream. Catch you later.